Volcanoes are powerful forces of nature. They remind us of the immense energy within our planet. Picture a mountain spewing lava and ash high into the sky. That is the raw power of a volcano. Volcanoes are not random events. They appear at specific locations on Earth. These locations are often where tectonic plates meet. Imagine giant puzzle pieces that make up the Earth's crust, constantly shifting. The Earth's crust is in constant motion. This motion creates friction and pressure. The intense heat below the surface seeks an escape route. Volcanoes provide that release, shaping our planet for billions of years. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, temperatures are scorching. It's so hot that rock melts into a flowing substance called magma. This magma is lighter than the surrounding solid rock. Because it's lighter, magma rises towards the Earth's surface. It seeks out cracks and weaknesses in the crust. Over time, the magma accumulates in a chamber. This chamber acts like a pressure cooker. The pressure builds until the magma finds a way to escape. This escape route is the volcano's conduit. When the pressure becomes too great, the magma erupts. It bursts forth as lava, ash, and gases. This is how a volcano is born. Not all volcanoes are created equal. There are different types, each with a unique personality. Think of them as different breeds of dogs, each with its own temperament. First, we have the stratovolcanoes. These are the classic cone-shaped mountains. They are known for their explosive eruptions. Mount Fuji in Japan is a famous example. Next, we have shield volcanoes. These are much wider than stratovolcanoes. They resemble a warrior's shield lying on the ground. Their eruptions are less violent, with lava flowing slowly. The Hawaiian Islands are home to shield volcanoes. Finally, we have cinder cone volcanoes. They are the smallest type. They are formed by the accumulation of volcanic debris. Their eruptions are relatively short-lived. Paricutin in Mexico is a well-known cinder cone volcano. Section 4. When volcanoes erupt. Volcanic eruptions are among the most dramatic events on Earth. The year 79 AD saw the devastating eruption of Mount Vesuvius. This eruption buried the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under ash and pumice. In 1980, Mount St. Helens in the United States erupted. This eruption was the deadliest in US history. It caused widespread destruction and loss of life. More recently, the 2010 eruption of Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland caused chaos. The ash cloud from the eruption disrupted air travel across Europe for weeks. These events highlight the immense power of volcanoes. Volcanoes can cause tsunamis, mudflows, and earthquakes. These secondary effects can be just as destructive as the eruption itself. The impact of volcanic eruptions can be felt globally. Section 5. Volcanoes, not all bad. While volcanoes are destructive forces, they also play a vital role in our planet's ecosystem. They're not just agents of destruction, but also creators. Volcanic ash is rich in nutrients. It acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil. Some of the most fertile lands on Earth are in volcanic regions. Volcanoes release heat from the Earth's interior. This heat can be harnessed to generate geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is a sustainable and renewable source of power. Moreover, volcanoes help shape our planet's atmosphere. They released gases that contributed to the formation of the air we breathe. Section 6. Keeping a watchful eye on volcanoes. Scientists constantly monitor volcanoes to predict future eruptions. They use a variety of tools and techniques to keep a watchful eye on these fiery giants. Seismographs detect earthquakes, which often precede eruptions. Gas sensors measure the release of volcanic gases. GPS devices track changes in ground deformation. By analyzing this data, scientists can assess the risk of an eruption. This early warning system helps save lives and property. Living near a volcano involves risks, but it also offers benefits. Understanding the science of volcanoes helps us coexist with these powerful forces of nature.